Yes, so you probably already understood, but the big announcement is that we are launching a new deck with all new asanas and some bonus cards as well that I'm gonna be revealing later on though. So what though I want to tell you is that this deck, here's the prototype, okay? It might not stay in stock forever, okay? Because we're not sure yet. So if you want to make sure that you get it and add all these new asanas to your practice and to your other Play Plus Me deck, then make sure that you get one in the pre-launch, okay? So you need to pre-order it because we are gonna do the production according to the pre-orders that we get, okay? So it's super, super important that you save the launch date. If you want to get all of the updates leading up to the launch, make sure that you drop your email address so we'll add you to the list if you're not already on there, okay? And yeah, that's it. Can't wait for it to launch, guys. Okay, this is all you're gonna get. And then in the next couple of days, we're gonna reveal some more stuff, okay? So stay tuned.